Hey guys, I just felt like making a long form video today, and I'm gonna talk about meditation, how important it is for the mind, body, and for unlocking. What's it called again? It's called mindfulness, I think. So if you have ADHD, ADHD is basically a condition where someone like changes their mind often, something like that. So with meditation, you're only focusing on one thing at a time, your breath. And that is basically like a counter to ADHD. And even without ADHD, it helps you in general. I've been meditating for like a few weeks now, and the benefits are crazy. So let me tell you a story. Back in the day, I did try meditation before, but I only lasted one day. Why? Because I didn't understand the benefits. I remember I went in my room and I was on the floor and I was like, I downloaded an app. I didn't even know where to start. I just thought that you close your eyes and start, I guess, thinking. And then eventually I got bored and I couldn't do it for any longer. And I decided to stop. The reason I started again was honestly because I was recommended to by one of the famous YouTubers, Hamza. And it has really helped me for a while now. I've been doing it for like 2 weeks, 5 minutes a day, hoping to increase it soon though. Meditation will help you to increase focus. So, usually, when you, as a human being, you in your mind a lot. So, even when you're doing an activity like so important, like, or even when you're in a dangerous situation, you usually in your mind, you're focusing, you're thinking about stuff, a lot of things throughout the day. But this meditation is a practice. It's kind of like going to the gym. When you go to the gym, the result is getting a good physique, a body. Also works on your mind. But meditation is an exercise for your mind to stay focused. It will help you, especially I'm not very good at I say my grades. I'm not very good at school, but meditation will help me to focus more because usually there's this phrase, it's called daydreaming. That's what I usually do in school because school is boring. And this will help me to focus more. And also, I guess when you're in a combat situation, I also recommend start doing martial arts. So even if you don't go to like if you don't have can't afford a gym, you can always practice with your friends. So it helps. I guess it will definitely help me to focus more and become a better uh become better at like I don't want to say what I'm doing, but it help me to focus better and not get hit as much. And meditation has really it has helped me stay clear of stress and depression. School causes stress, especially when you're in the last grade. Like meditation will help you clear your mind and not overthink things. I usually meditate before the exam as well. I started recently, of course. When you watch social media, especially TikTok, you're watching a video that only lasts like a short time. But when you meditate, no, let me talk about the bad thing about TikTok. So it lowers your attention span, and it's like that phrase. It's called brain rot. Gives you brain rot, and meditation will help reverse the effects because you're focusing on one thing for a long time. Like because when you're watching shorts, especially like that's why YouTube made shorts because it wanted to. Shorts will usually get more views than long form videos because of people's attention span nowadays. Meditation will help you focus not a detox, like dopamine detox. It'll help because when you watch a short video, the video is usually intriguing and it will trigger your dopamine senses, your happiness. So this will help you to defry it, your dopamine senses. So that's why I recommend meditation. Also, I know the real, you may think this is a small impact on your, it's small benefits, but the real reason I started doing it because it will help me generate better ideas for my videos. That's sort of well, because it and I heard it also make me become more successful in life, become rich, etc. Because you're obviously more focused. If I should to choose to be strong or smart, it's better to be smart because even if you can't get strong in any way, you can still get successful. If you're strong, you can only go so far. Better to train your mind instead of your not instead, better to train your mind and your body so you can have both. Anyway, that was the video. Peace.